there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. As you can see, I finally have my Zenpop box. I have not unboxed a Zenpop box for 3 to 4 months now. It's been a really long time. It's going to be extra exciting for you guys because Zenpop is hosting a giveaway which I'm running through this channel. All the details are going to be towards the end of the video because I know people just want to see what's in the box first. But if you can't wait, then be sure to check out the description box. I will have all the details down below. So I think this is July's box. Yes, July, unicorn. So beautiful. Every time I see blue and pink, I always think of myself and Violet because blue is my favorite color and pink is Violet's favorite color. And the format has changed a little bit of this as well. So let's see, do we have any pens? I think this is a pen. I'll put it aside and we'll test it out at the end of the video. So first up is this mini cleaner. This is so cute. I think this is an eraser. Picks up like the bits of erase. What is it? The erase, yeah, razor shavings. That's right. I was not really sure how to word it. That's so cute. I don't know how to like show this to you, but see how like it's like there's feet in it, but it's just brushes that as it moves, it just sweeps everything up into the back of this vehicle, and then you can just empty it out when you're done. And then we have, oh, this is like a notepad. It's really different because it's kind of upside down. You know how typically notepads would be like this and then you flip to write in them, but this time it's the other way around. And I love that this has a different shape. So you can actually write notes at the back of it. And then this one is full page. This is so cool. All right, then we have some washi tape. Let me go open these quickly. Okay, hopefully you guys can see, but there's two types of washi tapes here. This one is kind of like a watercolor, beautiful pink and purple. And this one I think has unicorns on it because the theme is unicorns. Yeah, it's like a bunch of really cute unicorns, flowers, and all sorts of decorative stuff. So this is a little unicorn eraser. I keep meaning to show you guys where I'm keeping all these erasers because over the years of unboxing all these beautiful stationery subscription boxes, you rack up quite a few erasers and they're all really adorable and you can't use them because I just feel terrible if I was to say, ooh, hey, you can take parts of it off. Okay, I did not know that. I would feel really terrible if I like erased a foot off or something. Then I would just feel like a monster. Can you take everything off? It's like a puzzle. Whoa, okay. Okay, so I could take its mane off, its ears off, its horn off. Can I take its head off? Because I feel like, okay, if I take this, then you can literally split it. It looks like you can. That is the weirdest thing. I don't think I've ever seen an eraser do that. And I have no idea why. Why would they do that? Like, maybe it's just more for fun? It's so odd and like fascinating at the same time. All right, there we go. Very cute. All right, now this one, I'm kind of curious what this one is. It looks like nail polish, but it's really light and I don't think it is nail polish. Okay, it says it's a manicure marker. Okay, it's like sticky tape closed. So if I take the sticky tape off, an actual ooh, it's an actual marker, like literally. All right, I'll test this out at the end as well and see what it's like. Really cool. All right, and then we have, oh, these are so nice. These stickers, can you tell? Maybe I need like a white backdrop or something. Let's just use this. Ooh, there's another stationery item. Let me put that aside. Can you guys see? It's like gems, but all like marine life. Growing up, I always wanted to be like a marine biologist because I love the ocean and I love dolphins. Dolphins are my favorite animal. This is so beautiful. And then the last one is a letter set. It's really nice designs, guys. Two different envelope styles with some paper, and then you've got your sealing stickers. Okay, so let me put this aside and let's test out the pens. All right, so the first one I'm going to try is this unicorn marker, which you guys saw before. Let's try this out. Oops. It's a really nice highlighter, I'm not going to lie. I like that this pink is not fluorescent because even the mild liner pink has a bit of a fluorescentness to it, which I'm not a big fan of. But okay, there's a little bit of bleed through here. But I actually really like this type of pink. Oh man, you know, I was actually thinking I was just going to give this to my niece or somebody in my family. We have actually quite a few nieces and nephews. They just don't live in Australia, but Tobias has been sending back packs of cute stationery from all my unboxings to his nieces and nephews back in Germany. And so we've been creating little care packages to send back, and I was kind of tempted to send this, but now that I know it looks like this, I don't know, I kind of don't want to do that now. And then I'm going to try this one, which I think is a pencil. It's a really nice pencil. And it looks like a normal pencil in the sense that it's got an eraser here, like one you would sharpen, but I think this is a twist one. Something in me is thinking it's, okay, it's push. All right, it's a mechanical pencil. And it doesn't say, oh yeah, okay, so it's 0.5. So yeah, it writes like any other pencil. It's not the most comfortable to hold. I feel like a regular pencil would be more comfortable, but the shape mimics like a very normal wood pencil. But it is really nice. Like, it looks really nice. It's just not as, like, I don't know if I'd be comfortable writing with this for like hours on end. And then the last one is a dual-ended highlighter from Kokuyo. I think I saw these online. I'm actually looking to place another Jet Pens order because I need to get some loose papers for my Japanese notes. And I saw these online, but I didn't want to pick them up because I just wasn't sure if I would actually use them. So I'm kind of glad I can try this. So there's actually, oh, it's two-sided. Okay, so let's try this. It's actually, strangely, I think I've seen ones like this before where like you have little levers on both sides so that you can push up one highlighter at a time, whereas this one both are exposed at the same time, and then you just kind of twist your highlighter depending on which color you want to use. That's kind of cool. I like how soft the color is. I wish this orange wasn't as fluorescent, but I get it. Most highlighters are fluorescent. I like the blue though. That's a really nice blue. I'm in the process of putting together, actually I'm probably going to film a video for this. I'll probably put together like a swatch planner or a swatch book of all my pens, and I've been really getting obsessed with different types of blue highlighter. Okay, so that is everything in July Zenpop box. And if you watch to this point in the video, then I'm going to go through all the giveaway rules. Alright, now it's time to get into the rules of the video. So rule number 1 is that you've got to leave me a comment down below, because if you don't leave me a comment, I will have no idea that you want to actually enter this giveaway. So leave me a comment, and if you could include your Instagram handle, you can just Instagram username or something like that, because I don't really know how else I'm going to be able to contact the winner. And the YouTube messaging system hasn't been really good. I've tried that in previous giveaways, and I find that most people don't check their messages, or there's no way to actually reach out and message them. So that's rule number 1. 2 is that you will need to create a free account with Zenpop. So I will link the link down below. It's completely free. You don't need to actually subscribe for any subscription, so you don't have to pay for a box, but you will just need to create an account. And then the last rule is that you need to make sure that you live in a country that Zenpop can actually ship to. With everything going on, they can't ship to every country in the world, so I'm going to leave those details down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Be sure to read it carefully, because I would hate to reach out to you and then you end up not qualifying. So there are going to be 2 winners, so 2 boxes that get sent out. This competition is going to close in about a week's time, so I'm going to think 8th of July, because this video is going out on the 1st of July. I'm going to reach out to 2 random winners. It's going to be through my own Instagram account, a beautiful Fable. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen, and it's also linked down below. You don't have to follow me on Instagram to enter this competition because I really wanted this competition to be more about just sharing my love for Zenpop. However, if you want to follow me, I'm not going to complain either. Once I've reached out to you, you have 48 hours to reply. If you don't respond, then I'm just going to pick another winner because I can't just leave Zenpop hanging the whole time because I'm going to have to pass them your details so that they can send you the box. So good luck. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.